Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. If today is your first time you are coming to this place, I say a very big welcome to you. Don't forget that we are doing multiple sales. When I told you that instead of you to waste your money for some training that they won't work for you, you should use it to buy already made product. Like our yellow CC is going for 50,000 naira for 5 kg, and also the white lady is going for 55. White lady lotion is going for 55,000 naira 5 kg. That is amazing. It's a big start for you. So instead of you to be wasting those money, like you buy this, you not work, you buy that, it doesn't work, and you saying you're promising, they promise. What they promise? Stop wasting money. Conviction is better than let me try, you've been convinced about my product already. Come on, give a try. I'm talking to you, you know what I mean. So then again, if you feel like okay, you the training you be doing is not enough for you, want to waste the money, or you can still be wasting it, but any day the Holy Spirit taught you that, my daughter, my son, stop wasting money. The money you've wasted is okay. Go to us, the global. Do not forget us. We are there for you. We'll always give you. Do you know what it is where you buy 5 kg? You buy 5 kg and you sell it, you make money. Any of the product you sell, like what we sold for 150,000 is now for 50,000 naira. Is now what we sold for 150,000 naira is now going for 50,000 naira. What we sold for it's amazing. Everything is cheap now. So when Nigeria they cry, say Nigeria is hard, forget, we are doing giveaway with our product. So I want to tell you about this. For us that will be complaining about severe redness. You see, redness, like I told you, redness can come of any kind. It can come off like psoriasis. That is that one. It can come by stress. This is not psoriasis. This is just regular stress. Maybe you're walking in the sun. Are you getting it? Or maybe sun effects on you. All right. Or maybe you use some product that are not regular to you. You just use them and they just cause some side effect reaction on you, redness, any part of your body. All you need to do, just buy this vitamin E redness remover. There's no two ways about it. If you use a product and it works for you, continue the product. Not go say want to just come out. If now alpha butene face serum you use and it's working for you, use it. Don't say because I said that you want to come try this. No, if that alpha butene is working for your redness, continue it. We don't find money like that. That is the mistake most of us do. Because somebody make advert about a product, then you leave the product that is working for you. The only way I will advise you to leave any product when the product is not working. I don't think I have told any customer, I said, I'm using glutathione lotion, is working for me. I'm using La face cream, is working for me. So I just want to try I just want you to try my own. I have not told any customer, and I won't do that. If it's working for you, it's working for you. Continue with it, for God's sake. You understand? Don't know my friend is using some mega creams, blah blah blah. Now friends, they go still tell you, say, come, you go use them, they will work for you. Why not stay with what you're using? That is my conviction. All right. And you also, then when some clients, some customer, they will tell me, I'll be using this thing, is working for me, but I want to try a product. It's a lie. I know it's not working for you. That's why you want to try my product. And try my product. My product will not fail you. Don't pity for me and do business with me. No. I'm so very proud of my product because it works. All right. So don't come like you pity for me. I'm not go sell for you, self. If you some that say I'm trying, I will tell you, madam, stay with that product. Unless you open up, say, I'm using this product, it's not working. Austin Global is not working. I want to try your product. Yes. You know people that buy from me, big names that buy from me, and I don't need to call names. And they say they buy from me, they rebrand. Now the thing be that. So you can buy these. When you buy this one for that redness, you put 1 cup inside warm water, take your face towel and dab. That's all. Remove that redness. Redness, who born you to stay? Who born you? No. Redness, who born you? Where are you coming from? Village people who send you to attack my sister, redness. So this is it. This will remove your redness. The thing is, sometimes we should understand our skin, the way it works. When you understand your skin, some misinformation that has been interpreted by some lotions or some product you use, because it's all this we are using, their information, they are passing information to our skin. If you don't know, you understand. So some of those misinformation, your cells, your immune could not handle them. They will react. That is it. They will react. When they react now, before you see, you'll be seeing some side effect. So it takes what it is. If you get this, whatever misinformation you've gotten from the sun information or from any lotion information, you see, this will clear that redness off. So don't bother for redness. Now redness, you got to cry for. Tell redness, say, get behind me with this product. All right, just tell redness, get behind me with this product, just regular product that you'll be using. Okay, that, and it will work for you no matter what. Don't you know vitamin E is very okay? Okay, so vitamin E redness remover is the solution for us. Don't forget that we ship everywhere: US, Europe, Asia country, UK, just name, we ship everywhere, and it will come to your doorstep. All right. If any of your item got missing, we'll pay you. No be say if your item is got missing, we pay you. It is what it is. So don't be scared. Or should I try him? Or this guy, he talk well. If I had a trip for the way they talk, but sometimes there is no but. Any but right now, pack that but and put beside you. Move on. Pick the product. Place your order. Mostly now, see the hot. I tell you, for Nigeria now, I have the highest powders for Nigeria. I've told you, don't even think about it. If I call any name of powder, now so I have the highest powders, and so it they be. So let's not talk too much. Like as if we just come in here for comedy, not comedy. So I want you to understand that whatever problem you've got in the skincare region, you can always share that with me, and we see how we can take it out. Because we just want to deal with the issues of skin, because that is our priority, number one priority. It's not all about money. All right, that's why we've put up these sales that you can buy in bulk, in cheap way also, and sell to others. Okay, so you can also make money for yourself. So once again, I remain Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare Nigeria Limited. Stay blessed. Bye bye.